this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a tailgate step as well, mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board, mud flaps on the front, side view camera, blind spot detection, turn light and spotlight indicated. And moving to the front here, we have a nice black hood deflector, front park sensing, license plate bracket, recovery hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black sport cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpeted interior. We do get some cup holders, 2 USB-Cs with rear vents, 120 volt, and we do get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, auto stop post start, lights, spotlights, parking brake, all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 16 kilometers. Looking at our steering wheel, we have a nice leather wrap steering wheel with your toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have my view, trip and fuel gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select that is collapsible storage, cup holders, more storage there with outlets. We do get plenty of storage underneath of your center console. We have our drive modes, we're locking in, 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120, above storage and below, and storage above your infotainment system. We do get a nice powered rear window opener. And looking here, we have our park assist. And on our infotainment system, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE38556, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.